some of them.
Some. You want me to give some 3? Beautiful, noted. How many puzzles can I ever? Puzzle. We have enough. There was a puzzle. You're getting a free one. Are you okay? You start from Unimazi now?
This one.
You are clap for Unimazi now? You're happy now?
Think that I like tobacco have is the food and the cereal.
The guinea, the food, and the guinea. Go, baby, go ahead.
And I like Miss Dorcas and Miss Miracle.
Let's start from the Dorcas and the Miracle. Miss Dorcas, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Miss Miracle, praise the Lord.
And I like all the teachers.
Yes. What do you wish we had in the camp? So what do you wish we had in the camp that we did not have? And that if you would be coming next year, you would want to see that thing in the camp. What's that?
Art classes.
All right, let me get art what?
Classes.
Art classes. Where you have to do some painting. Oh, beautiful. Focus in pen. Actually, we had it in mind. Okay, if Unimazi has more money, I actually had, we talked about it, yes. We talked about canvases, getting canvases, you know, but trust me, the next camp we're going to have art classes. You're going to do some sip and paint. Are you going for Unimazi already? I promise you, you love it, okay? But you don't have all the time. What do you like about the camp?
Everything. I like everything. So what I wish we had is mostly.
You cannot. Oh, excuse me. Everything. I like everything. What I wish is you will not mention anything. You will not say what I wish is everything. Go what you like. Mention what. Go baby, come on. You have to mention the things you like. What are the things you like so much about the camp? You like the what? Yes. So what did you wish?
I wish I don't sleep. That one like time to sleep.
Like what time? Like what time to what time did you wish we had for sleeping?
9 p.m. like 8.
It's not being married. Sleeping camp. It's not being. You want to sleep by 8, wake by 9 in the morning. It's a little like a sleep. You can have vacation sleeping. Come, get in here. Come on. I think we're even nice in this town. Tomorrow is you got married. You yeah.
But my house, I wake up by.
Because you started with my house. And do you think mommy didn't know what she was doing when she said she comes to this place? She knows. She wants you to wake up early.
I wake up by 11 a.m.
At school. If you wake up by 11 a.m.
How during school days too?
No, only during.
Oh, so you see something like that.
I wake up by 5:30 during.
Oh, you see? So, Chi baby, there's nothing we can do about your observations. Your request that, the number you are calling is not available at the moment. Please try again later. Okay? So when you come to camp, that's why it's actually a camp. Hi baby girl.
I wake up
Hi, Zita. I'm talking. So, this is why it's a camp, okay? When you come to camp, you're not meant to sleep. You're meant to be agile. You're meant to, go through 1 or 2 trainings, okay? But is that all? You want something else to say? Okay. Okay, no, what will be a hell? I'm only child.
I like to class and all my friends.
Oh, can we clap for her? What do you wish we had in the camp that we don't have?
I wish we have been invited and the circle.
Come, baby, come. I need to hear you very well. Allow her, please. Just allow her. We wish we had more.
I wish we have a
We wish we had a toy, a bike, and a toy car.
A bicycle and a toy and a car. Is that what you want? Yes.
A bicycle and a car. I cannot give you that one in the camp. Why should you put your mind? Are you in your mind? Don't talk to me. But I promise to get you games. I'll get you games, okay? So I can try getting the probably vaccine castle, a trampoline. How about that? What is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
And I like
You like the whole world. In the camp, in the whole world. People are the whole world. She likes us in the whole world. Beautiful.
In the camp, in the whole world. Okay. Yeah, we'll go to Kenya.
So we are working towards getting you these puzzles. You like it?
Yeah, I like puzzles.
One day we want to go clapping. Yes, one puzzle. What? Let me tell you, we are not just going to give you this one. Uncle Kezie game Awala. So we're going to use it for games tomorrow. Okay? You like it? Can we clap for Antigone's game? The purpose of Antigone's game is that they are proposing. You guys want to have one again. They are there. No way, they're not very good. I want to go for Antigone's game. If you have not signed this auntie, your auntie that is sending all the books to your mom, you. Thank you. Okay, the next person.
Yeah. Okay.
The little boy. Okay, don't mind your mommy. Say your mind. Come, baby, come here. I'm here for you. Forget about your mother. What do you want? Tell me. What do you like about it?
I like
What do you like about the car? Can you say the things you like?
I want teacher.
You say, go the blue mom and next.
I like
You got your email. Join givers, not your email.
Join giver.
You can't know your name. Clap for that uncle. What does he say? Uncle Niwa. Uncle Niwa. Where is he? Well, we have the down on it. It's not yet. Oh,
What
where
is
is
this?
Please, uncle, please follow up. Tell him that he has been coming.
So many things in dream.
What do you wish we did in Uganda we did not tell you?
Look here now.
So they let them be in the camp. Follow me, I'm gonna enjoy. Let's have some better. Number one. Good. Go ahead. No, let me tell you. Keep in mind. So let me tell you, I don't take anything offensive. Say the things you like. Say the things you don't like. You see, this camp started from somewhere, and whatever you are enjoying here today is because a child said about it in the previous camp. Mommy, yes or no?
Yes.
Anything, if you don't like anything, say it. We are very serious. We are not joking. If we are joking, then you will not enjoy the camp. Do you understand? Everybody you see here are professionals. So we are not taking anything offensive. Say it. I don't like this. I don't like. You can really apologizing to what you make it. Okay? So feel free. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. So that we know how to adjust. So that in the next camp, other children will enjoy what you have done pointed out to you. Okay? So please feel free.
The suggestion. I don't see that. If you want to see this is a camp, very nice, fun, interesting, and everything. At the same time, it's not easy to have a camp because I'm not going to a camp like for the Christmas, yes, AC, there's like all this lot of stuff. Like I feel that it's actually very nice, but like at the same time.
You want to be ginger?
No.
You should bring man over. If you want to be
So what I'm trying to suggest that maybe in the night you can just like for the next campus you can just like go downstairs and like maybe use very and like stay in a circle, then sing Igbo songs, like it be like how like and like maybe the share and I like their food. And again, I've actually never gone to a camp that, let me say for example now, you say you don't like this kind of a food, they will not be like, okay, what do you want to eat? I've actually never gone to a camp like that. So that's something that's
Yes. Yes, the mother was saying she needs this camp to go for 2 weeks, but that we can't do it. Me, I can't even try it by myself. Once we have sponsors, if I am activity.com. Activity.com. In fact, I feel I'm not even unleashed enough because I'm always thinking, planning. for 2 weeks. Even if we have 100 kids, we need to have enough manpower, professionals, and we run the camp for 2 weeks. Okay? I'm activity.com. I have an edge. You understand?
I want to suggest something. My realization in this camp is that the teenagers are smaller than the kids. So like what I'm going to suggest is that like maybe the next camp you can have something like teenagers camp, like maybe from 12 to 15 or so.
So let me react on that. So first, let me start with the condition of this camp. So now this camp is actually a vacation wrapped in cultural education. That's my idea about this camp. It's a camp where you are relaxed, like you are at home, living with mommy and daddy. So we are giving you that feeling of home vibe. And then while you are having your experience of luxury at home, you are now helped to speak what? The Igbo language. That's just it. So it's not a camp where we should turn off the AC, where you should do Kigo. No. It's a top-notch classic camp. It's not for everybody. If you can afford it, come. If we make it to be something that you go through the stress, look at this little baby, just mosquito bite, probably 1 or 2. She's reacting. The mother has called me. She has spoken to me. I had to give instructions last night, for everyone to be fitted. You see, these are the kind of kids we have here. So we don't want to vacation. That's the idea in my head. Children coming on vacation, they are safe, they are fine, they are home. But what? They are learning Igbo language. Did I? Secondly, we actually have that idea of going outside in the night to tell stories. So we used to have, in the first camp we did, we had somebody we called Mama Nuku, who was my mom. So we called her Mama Nuku in the camp and we said she was going to be the one to tell the moonlight story. She was going to do the tales by moonlight. So, excuse me. But we realized that we did it once. Mosquitoes beat the kids. Okay? The mosquitoes were too much. So I do not want a situation whereby your parents will leave you under my care. Can you listen to me, babies? Can you hear me? So I don't want a situation whereby your parents will leave you under my care and they come back to meet you having mosquito bites. Is that nice? If I'm a mom, I wouldn't take that. So what you see us do here, I treat you the way I would treat my own children. Right? While they learn the Igbo language. Now, when we talk about teenagers, do you know that we run ads on Facebook how many weeks? For 1 month, right? For more than 1 month. We were running ads over how many million? 2.something million naira. We were running adverts on Facebook. We ran ads on Wazobia. We ran ads on Nigeria Info. We shared handbills. I got over 700 interested people. Do you understand me? But you see, families will be interested and they will go to their teenage children and say, do you want to go for the camp? The next the teenagers will say, what? What's the year camp? They don't even know the vibe. Do you understand? They don't even know what we are packaged. So this is, the parents who want the camp. This is one situation. Checking and everything. So the parents go to the kids and ask the kids. Like one parent wanted to bring his son and she said that he said he doesn't want to go. Will they force the teenager? No. Secondly, did you know me before now? All of you, did you know me before now? Did your mommy know me? Did your daddy know me? Did they know me? Did your daddy know me? So we are afraid. Who is this? Bring your children to go. If they go, who knows what they are going to do there? What are they going to do to our children? And you tell them when I street, you see your kids where they are learning. And again, some people don't even afford it. That's the third situation. So we are looking for how God will make a way for us. We get good sponsors, we make the price affordable. We have more teenagers to do what? Come. And trust me, when teenagers come, we are extremely careful. We police everybody. So we know that teenagers are not watching this camp. And trust me, it's just people having their own preferences. All our teenagers are here. Last year we had about 10 teenagers or more. We have a bunch of teenagers, but they are not in the country as we speak. So because they did not travel, they came to the camp. So next year, probably they will come because like one of the mothers that started this now. I say, oh, we're going to the country. Almost all of them are going to the country. Do you understand? So teenagers need to come. But I'm sure you will enjoy the class. We didn't make it, even though the younger ones were here, we didn't try to bring it down to their level. Zico, did we? No, we gave you your class, you had your room, right? We made sure that you didn't bully anybody and nobody bullied you. Yes or no? Okay, did I answer your question? Thank you.
So I like this song.
I like the
room. I like the food. I like the people making food. They're very kind of friendly. And I like my teachers.
What would you want to add to this?
I don't know.
Like I say, I don't know or I don't have. Like you like everything you say, I like everything. I don't have everything.
And I like everything.
Okay, can you think that to do this? Yeah. So maybe tell them what you're about.
I like the teachers. And I like the soccer and the miracle. I like the way that we do our morning workout.
What do you wish you had in the camp to have right now?
I wish that we had a trampoline.
Trampoline. Let's see, your trampoline. Any other wish? Your fine. Okay, can we start for her? What are you doing to teacher? Who is the best? Onye? She now. How can I say no, one person is there? Yeah, you have to make sure the things you like. I cannot say you don't like. Go ahead.
I like it.
Thank you. Yeah, I want to say very big all these beautiful kids. Let me tell you, I want to say very big. I like the caregiver. She likes the caregivers and the caregivers. The caregivers. All right. Yeah, go ahead. When you want to do, you say, Mama, in our say that I'm proud of you. You went for her. Only Mama has seen. Now, what do you have what babies? Say for the other babies. What's this day? You will be one. I have the choice to my give me one. Joyce. Joyce. Not the uncle. Joyce. To drop the name Okay, so my name is Joyce Chiwelu, and I want to go, but you call me Munima, that's the primary name, because I teach the Igbo language. Alright, okay. Don't, why do you take that to Canada? Do not, leave that girl. That's how I used to when I was. I saw. Okay, gotcha. No, leave her. That's how God has blessed her. That's how God uses to bless her. And she's always everywhere, happy. That's how I am. Everybody's not quiet. Alright, please, let's clap ourselves one more time. Please, on this note, ladies and gentlemen, join me as I call to the stage our joy giver. Put a round of applause for the joy giver. For them to excuse me, these kids love you people. You know, can I want to see everybody? Please, when I'm talking, can the media people give us music for this? Please, we are live, don't go off. Listen, let me tell you. So let me tell you, this baby just turned out to be now. So this baby came and said, We in the background we were fighting. But these kids you were having a one-on-one contact with, which we were fighting you for, are beginning to say to make their camp worth it. So when they make a special request that we should dance, forget that I say dance, just dance. It's their own way of saying they love you. They want to see you happy. Who is saying, what? Play for them, who never were there. That song they sang, they were dancing with their mother. They did not know the song yet. No, we don't know the song. Why are you waiting for the people? I didn't come to attend to you. Okay, so I want to say very to you people, they will dance. They might not be able to take the music. I want to say very thank you. But I don't just need to thank you. You're going to say something. Sure. So we want to hear from you too. What do you like about the camp? See, let me tell you. This is our first time getting caregivers from our side. And I want to say very thank you to Mr. Tosin, who helped me. When you came, some of my staff were like, why did you prepare your guys? And I'm talking to this, telling me this. But I'm not going to listen to this. She said, no, I'm not going to Auntie, come on, okay. Say, Mama, okay, so when we came in, we were fighting. We were fighting. Because we wanted them to do what? Deliver. And I'm happy to see that say what they're saying. Now, we want to get from this is the first time we're bringing outsiders to come and care for our babies. But we have to get it from the management of this facility because I strongly believe that whoever is the manager of this facility would not want anything that will bring a detriment to their name. So while I was thinking here, I had gone to so many domestic staff organizations and companies, but I just said, let me ask Mr. Tosin to supply. And when people came, who are staff were like, oh, these are not Igbo people, some are Igbo, some are Igbo. And I said, do you know what? Let's just work with what we have. This is the people that God has provided for us. And now let me tell you, in as much as you are my staff, I strongly believe in feedback. If anything you see me today, I'm a product of feedback. People have given me very good feedback. People have given me very terrible feedback. But one thing I do not joke with is feedback. Tell me what you want to tell me, and I will go back and think over it. You see these little kids? They've made this camp for the camp. You see this baby, you see everything they say? Oh, okay, they write them down. I put it into consideration in this camp. Everything you see in this camp, the food, they love this woman's food. And I keep what? Bringing her. If any child says, I don't like her food.
Radio. Bluetooth mode.
So if they say we don't like
Bluetooth connected.
If they say we don't like her food, I will politely tell her because they're my clients. Look for what you want to solve there. Chowan Nadada or Chowan Nina.
Body part.
Eh?
Body part. No,
Body part.
body part is flavor.
Feedback. When people give you feedback, if you are foolish, you will get angry. If people give you feedback, if you are smart and wise, you will take it in and do what? And work for yourself. It's only a foolish person that will say, what are they going to talk to me? What nonsense? What are they? You will remain in that nonsense. Because somebody is there's somebody in a way, they sell a rice called dirty rice. Dirty rice. You go to a restaurant, it's there just the way they have fried rice, jollof rice, they have dirty rice. Who in his or her proper senses would call a food dirty rice? And somebody with a normal sense will go to the counter and pay to eat what? Dirty rice. Do you know how funny this life is? It can be so funny that rice they are calling dirty, probably they add something dirty to it. And I told the caterer, I said, she's a private caterer. I said, don't call you. She said, dirty rice is available. I said, you too, you do this. Don't call the rice dirty rice. Intelligent people will not eat this rice. Guess what she said? I will not take your feedback. You just called me unintelligent. I said, no, that's not what I mean. I mean people with vision. Some people like us, we imagine a lot. Like me, I see a lot. I imagine. The time I bought that dirty rice and ate, I almost threw up. She laughed at me. We were chatting. She laughed at me. And she said, you are so funny. What's dirty about dirty rice? And I'll be like, I can go on and on. This person and me can never ever understand ourselves. Even if there's a rice called dirty rice. This person is a client. You eat her money. And she's telling you, don't do this. You say, oh, man, thank you for the feedback. We will look into it. Whether you will change it or not, go back and do what? Think through. No, she just told me for me, I won't take it. I won't. You know what I did? I used to look through her stuff so I can place order for food. I just muted herself. So I stopped seeing. One day it's coming, she come and say, Auntie, you have not ordered again. I'm ordering from you. You have no manners. You eat my money and then you don't have manners. You see that? So when people give you feedback, you should be smart. Especially people who you know are going to pay you. So that's why I'm saying this thing is give me your what? Your feedback. If you give me your feedback, I will look into what you have said and I'll work on myself. Do you understand what I'm saying? I used to be like army, police. But feedback has helped me to what? I'm coming down. I'm still working in progress, okay? So, is the music ready for them to dance before they...
Yes.
Okay, tell you, Mama, they want my dance. Come on and dance. Play music, please. Just 1 minute is okay. Let's go. Oh, yes, what? What do you want to play for us?
I think that's the cultural.
Oh, yeah.
What's
United.
So, first of all, what I like here is the phone. Like, despite the fact they are the activities, maybe we work and all that, but I just enjoy the fun. It's like the food, the happiness. It's just as it's happy this program should not end. Okay, also the children, I appreciate them too for their openness, like they were not, so give attitude and all that, but they were friendly to their own aspect.
Can we clap for the children?
So what I want improvement on is our rescue, where we can lay our heads to sleep, because where I slept, mosquito really dealt with me downstairs.
Okay, you should have been your you should have told us that you didn't know.
So please, there should be like a roof, even if we are five in a room, you see at least it's still cozy for us. That's what I want to improve on. Thank you.
Thank you to the director for the opportunity to serve, and I also appreciate everyone, the workers, the teachers, the kitchen workers. Mommy, thank you for the delicious meals. Yeah, I enjoyed the camp. One thing, because I served in Igbo land, so I really love Igbo people and I love to be around them.
Mazi, take notes. Mazi, take notes.
Before the story, sometimes I shall lose my animal. Kids are wonderful kids, they are respectful, yes, they are respectful, and I love everything about the camp, that you're able to organize such a program to familiarize the children with the culture, learn how to learn their culture, the food, and everything. Even those that have not eaten some things before, at least at this camp, they were able to learn how to eat some of them. And that's very nice. Then what? I think you're fish.
Okay, let's go.
Good evening, everyone. I want to thank one of the staff, my colleagues too, because this is the first time I'm experiencing something like this. The camp is nice, it's fun, like it's very, very exciting. The children are nice, they are friendly, they are lovely.
What if I didn't go?
The children are nice and they are friendly. So I really have for that. But I do what I'm going to do. I really have fun here. So coming to this camp also took me back to the village because I'm from Ebonyi State, and we Lagos National Driving. So being in this camp brought memories of the Igbo culture and everything.
Then you concentrate better on that. So I feel that should be included.
Thank you. Let me react on that. So we sincerely apologize for the moments when the food lingered. And I know after the second day, it peaked. The feeling peaked. And then we are going to work towards getting snacks. Okay? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
And Uche, please don't rush a kid and Ghana medical defense and Ghana Obo, Macaronia. Give me Kochila, take your iPad so that. Mama, be a blue user. Don't know it's smart. Oh, can you manipulate?
Good evening, everyone. I really like the Igbo summer camp. This is my first time I've come to such a I was like, when I came here first, I was like, you guys want to have a meeting. Like, this for the adults. And then I saw the children coming together, and number two, I learned something because I'm a Yoruba girl. And we Yoruba, we have different tribunals. And most times, we are not together like that. We don't communicate together like that. But in this Igbo camp, I learned something. Some people said I'm from Anambra, some say I'm from Owerri, some say I'm from Enugu. And you guys are doing things together, like, I really love that. For this reason, I know the reason why Igbo people say, it's my brother, it's my brother. Because I wonder, people related like God. See that all of you are just from one family, like, it's like, we don't know each other. But the short is my brother, is my. So I learned something from this camp. And thank you, I want to thank the teachers. Like, I did my mommy, thank you, daddy. Like, sometimes, you know, the doctor was good knowing. I was like, I wonder. Thank you, I really appreciate that. Thank you, mommy, for the food. I really enjoy it. Thank you so much.
What's your own name? Who did you take care of? Because I want to see you. Yes, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So first of all, thank you, Imani. It's wonderful idea for this summer camp. Because honestly, I did not expect, like I didn't expect to enjoy this camp at all. But I really did. I learned about teamwork and unity and the fact that I even work in the kitchen how to get teamwork today. So I appreciate and I got to enjoy the delicacies like Igbo soup and everything.
Oh, get it out. Okay, thank you.
So thank you, everyone.
Good evening, everybody. Okay, I really love it here. First of all, welcome to the division. I love the division. That's an activity. And sometimes I will just look at it and I'm like, somebody in the division going somewhere. And I pray that this sees greater glory. Amen.
Joy give us.
And I also love the teamwork actually. Working in the kitchen was very beautiful and interesting.
I love my girl.
It was very beautiful, and I learned a lot, learned new things, and the opportunity to serve was one I'm grateful for. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First, I want to thank Mia Mazi
right? When I came, then I just saw that person. I think I've seen people like her, very energetic, and of course, I know they can be someone, they are nice people though, right? I also want to thank Mr. Charles. When I came in, I first had contact with him, right? He was very receptive and, you know, he made me feel, when Unimazi came, I said, stop, I was like, what's going on?
We were.
What's going on here? Right? He was like, oh, don't worry. I was like, I'll start doing it.
Oh my God.
I just wanted to see it going to end, right? The first 2 days was not really cool, right? Because I had to complain to him, like,
what was the complaint?
I was not properly oriented, like what I was coming here to do, right? But sincerely, after getting to, even without a description, a job description, I think I enjoyed what I did here, right? I enjoyed my stay, I enjoyed the meals, the people. You really have a good team, right? A great team, right? I must say that. Right, they were my first time, and of course,
really, and you liked it?
Yes, they were nice. Every time, right? I normally do it every time. I should have had every time. Right? So thank you very much.
Thank you. Can we clap for them? So do you have anything to say? Do you want to say anything? You should take her in. Who is Anel? Take her in. So I want to say a very big thank you. In the family meeting, we like to do it with the kids. Let them stay, let them talk, let them observe, let them learn. Little baby, they watch cartoon in their houses too. Hi baby, who is the caregiver?
Carry her.
Yeah, please help. Joy giver. Thank you. Okay, can we clap for the caregivers one more time? Okay, so now this is me. When it's time to walk. I'm a very, you can see me now. Am I biting anybody? You just have to walk. So when you came, you are sitting down. Because for me, when I go to somewhere, I'm actually out for what am I supposed to do. So I don't go to somewhere and sit. But you know what problem? That's why I had to learn how to have a listening ear. Because I realize I'm an extreme extrovert. And sometimes I don't even remember that there are introverts. I just think everybody should be moving. Yeah. So when I see you sitting gently, when I walk, why are you sitting down? I can bite you at the moment. But I'm sincerely sorry in any way I have offended any of you. I know at some point I had to be very blunt. I had to let you know that you're not doing what you're meant to do. And it's because I went hard. That's why these kids are very grateful you came. Because I went hard and you had to sit up. When you sat up, we were not complaining again. And then Antuche, God will bless you. I like people like you around me. It's you that used to help me. Because me, I can be fighting. I cannot forget to appreciate. And then Antuche started saying, beautiful caregivers. Hi, wonderful. I said, hey, let us be. When I saw that Antuche was taking over, I said, let me go out. Like, you know how to do this thing for me. Then you now change your name. I want to say I'm very proud of you all. You were not giving orientation when coming. You just came suddenly, and then we gave you orientation when you came, and you had to sit up. Yeah, we did. Probably you had gone to the boys' hostel. We did. Yes, we did. I'm sincerely sorry. Even I was telling them, I said I almost told you to go. I almost told them to go. You don't get out. You were too gentle for me. So that's what I said. That that's why I have to cultivate the habit of listening to people, because I'm an extreme extrovert. It's a blessing. It's a gift. I have too much energy. I push things. I make things happen. Right? And so you see my eyes sometimes coming out like I want to hit you. I will hit you. I'm actually impressive. I just want this to work. So thank you so much. You want to say something?
Yeah, so within the period when I was here, I had issues with a lot of people here.
Uncle Nick, why see why I want to fight you? Why are you living there now? What was that going now? Okay.
So I do want to appreciate each and every one of them, especially Ms. Suchi, for accepting me and the way I look at the way I am. Like
that's where you are. It's not bad. You just have to.
Yes. I just want to thank them for forgiving me even after doing things that hurt them and all. To each and every one of the teachers and to Ms. Uche and to thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yes, that is actually planned to. Yeah, let me tell you, I planned that verse. Uncle Kizzy, remember when I told you about that verse? Hold on, Uncle Kizzy, what did you tell me? No, it's good. I told him, I reminded him, but he said something and it's true. What did you remind him?
That we're taking them to Warren.
We have a camp in Owerri.
2 weeks camp.
It's 2 weeks, and we have asked the director. We are going to Shekinah British International School. We're coming to your school. We're going to make bigger noise. Hey! We're coming.
Shekinah will move.
Yes, we're going to have Father's Day. So we're going to I asked the director and asked him, so how many students are we expecting? And he said, I can't tell. And it's true. It's just like me. I prepared for 60, 80, I was ready, but I got less than 20. So he's saying he can't tell, and it's true. So we may be saying, oh, there are 5, and we go with 5 pole. What if we go with 5 pole and then we get more than? So I want to again apologize. Actually, what I now planned to get for you was a crop, so what do you call that thing? But Yadibambozo, okay? So yeah, Yadibambozo means next time, for those that will be available. I want to say very thank you. Please, you deserve a handshake. Handshake, wonderful. I appreciate you. The kids are happy. God bless you. I'm grateful. I love all of you. Thank you. Can we clap for them and take them out? I'm never shaking you. I'm a beautiful handshake. Thank you. All right, children. Cha-cha-cha for Kweno. I want to thank all the teachers. I want to thank Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, he said he wants to come. I said, no problem. Just carry my baby here and I'll be coming. I want to thank Oguloke today. I want to thank Auntie Agatha. I want to thank Mommy Chinwe. Mommy, come and So I want to thank Mommy. You know, but everybody be like, woman is a machine. Woman is a head. She's a strong woman. Wow, I'm not being like you. Okay. I'm a human being as well. So sometimes when I'm down, Mommy will just come. And that's why my husband is always around. But sometimes I just need to talk to somebody because I'm the person pushing everybody. Pushing. I'm pushing you here. The one I'm pushing people online. It's more than the one I'm pushing you here. I'm pushing everybody. We are in car. They want to give money. You know? Sometimes when you call me and say, I'm only working in my school. She's my staff. But when we come to camp, I'm happy. And Mommy has been there since I was probably 13. Mommy even was 13, 14. She was my biggest wife. She was my year-old mommy. She's yes. Mommy knew me when I was a small girl. Yeah, always jumping. When I was doing my master's, they gave me accommodation. I was in their house. Praise the Lord. So, Mommy has been there. Mommy, I want to thank you. It used to be her and my mom, but my mommy could not know how to be professional. Yes. So, when it's business, it's business. When it's family, it's family. If you don't know how to draw the line, you won't do it. So So my mommy didn't know how to know that I'm her boss at the same time her daughter. So one day my mom was doing something else when she was going to do the kitchen, and I said, will you move back into the kitchen now? My mother said, oh, Karika. And then she went into the room, and my mommy said, this is what you're doing. You're embarrassing me. It's embarrassing. So those are here for business. I just acted along. Oh, mommy. Sorry, mommy. I'm sorry, mommy. So we left that camp. Close to the Christmas camp, and I said, hey, when we want to cook in the, I said, hello, you are hereby suspended. It's true. Is that bad? You are suspended from going to the camp because you don't know how to be professional. I'm the daughter of Anthony Masi. If you don't know the line, you cross it. And because you cross it emotionally, I'm not here for emotional gains. It's business. Do the job or you leave. So I went to Saka. Over! So, when I try my powers, just know that I don't spend my parents when it comes to my powers. You can't hear yourself. So, my mommy is able to do that. She knows how to do it. She knows it. She knows that this girl is her daughter. This girl is her baby. This girl is also her what? Madam. So, mommy knows how to draw the lines. Yes. Praise the Lord. It's not everybody that can do it. So, thank you so much. Miss Stella, Miss Oge, I want to say I'm sorry. You are the woman being we didn't carry along in this camp. Down to the address of the camp, she didn't know. She was here. I would say I will put you in the group here. But she's here and she's sad. Thank you, Mr. Chris. I just called him. You're going to be the master of the boys' hostel. Bam. I want to thank LSG. Where is your boss? Oh, our media team is super. Have you opened the Facebook? I want to thank you. It's one thing to put it. The money I put in this camp is no to what I put last year. The money I put in the camp, because we did 3 batches. But it was not visible in the world. Media as it is visible in this media. Sorry. Okay, baby, you can go. Show my brother. Now she go. That's only time I just go there. So yeah, please enjoy it and so inside. Okay, let me give us stand your children and go. So I want to say a very big thank you to Auntie Stella. No, I was thanking LXG. It's one thing to do the job.